Hi everyone, and this is Shagun. Welcome back to my channel. So, you are thinking about what kind of video is this? Basically, it's a work week video of my life. First, I'll tell you what I do. I'm a full-time video editor. So, ये जो वीडियो होने वाला है, it's about all the days of the week, showing you how the life of a video editor looks like. What I do is planning my day. It's a Sunday evening and I plan all the work I will do tomorrow, that's on Monday. And in this video, I'll show you all the days of the week, what I'll do, and what I do at home, what I do at office, and what working weekdays of mine looks like. I love writing. मुझे डायरी लिखना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, अभी से नहीं बचपन से ही. So basically क्या होता था, I always make a diary of the year. जैसे कि I made a diary of the I'll show you. So this is the diary I made, and this is the, I don't know, it's a 2020 diary, but I made this for the year. Yes, I think it's 2020. I write the works which I will do on Monday, which includes, and I'll show you, work week planning. So basically, what I do on Monday is doing some research on creating LinkedIn profile, improving editing skills, and watching some vlogging contents to make my vlogging better, shooting some short form videos. So welcome to our work week days of my life of a full-time video editor and a part-time content creator. So this is a dinner time. Basically, what I eat is, I'll show you what I eat. This is what I ate. It's I think some roasted onion. It's a masala. It's a pulao here. And the music plays. ऐसे खाना खा रहा हूँ, साथ में म्यूजिक चल रहा हो. Amazing. So hi everyone, and here we are, another day, and we are coming from office in a lunch break at the mart for shopping and to get some coffee cups, coffee mugs because we don't have fun. So yeah. Good morning. So basically, this is another day, another morning, and अभी-अभी सो के उठी हूँ एंड बेसिकली बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा मौसम अच्छा हो रहा है। अच्छा भी हो रहा है और साथ-साथ खराब भी हो रहा है, तो आई एम लिटिल डाउट कि मैं आज ऑफ़िस जाऊँ या नहीं जाऊँ। लेट्स सी इफ मौसम थोड़ा बेटर होता है तो मैं चाहूँगी आई विल डू वर्क फ्रॉम होम। लेट मी शो यू कि बाहर कैसा मौसम हो रहा है, इट्स सुपर अमेजिंग। लेट्स चलते हैं। सोनी हाय करो। वैसा रिएक्शन हो रहा है बाहर एकदम अच्छा सा। You can see. So yeah. So सबसे पहले what we do on the morning is just cleaning our room and let's having freshen up, getting ready, and then having a breakfast. After then we are deciding if we want to go or not. If we want to go office here. So yeah. So अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, if you like that video, please support me and subscribe to Shagun Vlogs. So watching my content, thank you everyone. Do subscribe, like this video, and hope you will be there for next time when I uploaded something new content. Love you guys.